Hello, I'm Bradley, and today we're going to be looking at TinkerCad circuits on how to create an LED with small breadboard. So, as always, start off with this, place it down, get your small breadboard, place it just above. Okay, we're going to wire this up now. So, 5 volts of power going to this breadboard, okay? So we'll go from here down there. There we go. Put that in red because it's live. And obviously we need to ground this, so we'll go from here, down, here, here, and here. Because that's ground, we've put in black. And now we're going to put 3 LEDs onto this breadboard. So, LED 1. There, LED 2 and LED 3. We're going to change this to yellow, change this one to green, so we have a traffic light system there. Then we need 3 resistors because we want to restrict the flow of electricity going through. And we need that set up like so. We need that on the cathode line. We did it for all 3 of them. And these need to be set up at 220 ohms. So again, you're looking for these 3 colours on the actual resistor. Brown, red, red. And now we need to wire this up to this. So from here, this needs to go straight to 13. And because it's red, so I'm going to put this wire in red. This one needs to go to 12. I'm going to put that in yellow. Then this needs to go to minus 11. And that's going to stay green. So now we've set up this whole system, or this whole circuit. This is what your circuit should look like, roughly. Now we need to code this. So click on codes. We don't need this. We'll drag that here. Click on variables. Click on create variable. Type in animation speed, like so. Click OK. Then we want to drag this, set animation speed to 400, and then click on output, set built-in LED to high. High means the LEDs are on. Off means they're or low means they're off. Now what we need to do, we need to control how long these LEDs stay on for. I'm going to drag this over, click on variables, drag animation speed onto here, and change this to milliseconds. And then what we need to do is we need to be able to turn this LED off. So drag set built-in LED to low. And then we need to control this again. So we click on wait, variables, animation speed, and again to milliseconds. So now what we need to do is output, set pin, and then we'll set this to 12 because we want. Because now we're going to control pin 12. Pin 12 is here. This needs to be on high. And then what we need to do is we need to click on control, wait, animation speed to milliseconds, and click output, set pin 12 to low. And now what I'm going to do is right click here to click on duplicate, drag this down. I'm going to change this to 11. Okay. And now hopefully when we click start simulation, these should flash. Main sequence, just like so. Okay, that is the end of LED with small breadboards. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, take a look at our Twitter account and our Facebook account, Beacott Digital. Thank you for watching.